For more than 1,000 years, the Hopi have survived by growing corn in the harsh drylands of the American Southwest. Using a digging stick, the Hopi plant corn deep in the floodplains, where the few inches of precious rain flowing from the mesa feed the plants. Deep planting allows the seeds to benefit from the moisture in the soil, and the corn grows strong roots to resist wind and flash floods. Once mature, the corn is picked, dried, and ground into meal. A batter of cornmeal, water, and wood ash is spread onto a hot stone slab to make piki, a paper-thin bread.